Here is how to hide apps from the app library on your iPhone. I'll show you how to do it, but first please hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks everyone. If you upgrade to iOS 18, you can hide an app by tapping and holding the app icon. Then select Require Face ID and choose Hide and Require Face ID. You can then hit Hide App. However, keep in mind that the app will still appear in your app library. If you swipe all the way over to the right, you'll find a hidden folder at the bottom. When you tap on that folder, it will require Face ID approval to access it, and you'll see any hidden apps, like WhatsApp inside. If you want to remove an app completely, hiding it from both your home screen and the app library, you can do that through your settings. Start by opening the Settings app, then scroll down a bit and select Screen Time. Next, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure that these restrictions are turned on. Under this section, you'll find Allow Apps and Features. When you tap on them, you can toggle off any of the default Apple's app. For instance, if you turn off FaceTime, it will no longer appear in your app library. You might need to wait a moment for the change to take effect, but once done, FaceTime should disappear from the app library. Keep in mind that this method only apples to Apple apps. Now let's turn that back on. Another option you have is to control the types of apps that can be downloaded or installed. Tap on App Store, Media and Web Content. Then select Apps under the Book section. Here you can set a restriction for different age ranges, such as don't allow 12+, 9+, or 4+. This way you can filter out apps that may contain adult content. However, note that these settings apples to all apps within the age category, not just specific ones. You can also choose to keep certain apps in the hidden folder in your app library if you prefer that method. I hope this helps. If it did, please hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.